Now that's what crazy campaigners call Sounds of Sodomy Volume 1. The biggest homophobic album of the year, brought to you by people too afraid to name themselves.
Too afraid to name themselves.
Featuring songs that smash through the bottom of the charts to make their way to the top. It's the sound of sodomy. That's the sex that doesn't end with a baby. Stop being so anal and buy the Sounds of Sodomy today before it's too late and your children grow up tolerating other people's life choices. Enjoy your right to express your views now and buy the Sounds of Sodomy Volume 1.
Only available on cassette.
Whatever your views are, enjoy the right to vote on marriage equality in May 2015.